Okay, dear students, in the last class we have finished 3.1 exercise in trigonometry. Okay, now we will see 3.2 concepts. 3.2 concepts we see for finishing of 3.2 exercise in trigonometry. Okay, now in 3.2 exercise again we will have to know the trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta, cosecant theta, secant theta. What are those? What are those ratios? Okay, and what is the values of angles, how they have come, approximately we will see. Okay, now let us study trigonometric ratios with right angled triangle. This is right angled triangle, and trigonometric ratios also we will see this right angled triangle. Some notations we will take. Say this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, now this is hypotenuse. Some people may call diagonal. This is hypotenuse. Always take hypotenuse as AC. Then remaining you take B. Okay. This is hypotenuse. HYP. BC is opposite side. OPP. AB is adjacent side. ADJ. Okay. Now I will write again here those notations. You see HYP means hypotenuse. OPP means opposite side. ADJ means adjacent side. Adjacent side. Okay. What are these? Hypotenuse is AC. Opposite side is BC. Adjacent side is AB. Okay. Normally these are the terminology. But here hypotenuse some people may call diagonal, opposite side height, adjacent side base also they call, but normally you take these terminology. Why? Because these terminology are good. You see here one basic. Okay, now see theta I have taken here. This theta, which one theta you have to take, this is very important. Theta between hypotenuse and adjacent side. Okay, adjacent side and hypotenuse. Theta between, angle between adjacent side and hypotenuse, that theta you have to take. Then based on this we will derive. That means see what ratios they have made. They have given randomly names: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. 6 ratios will come. Why? Because 3 sides are there, 6 ratios will come. Hypotenuse by adjacent side, opposite side by adjacent side by hypotenuse, opposite sides by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side by adjacent side by hypotenuse, opposite side. Like that 6 ratios we can make. Those ratios also they have given name. Okay, see how these ratios will affect with the theta, you think? Because see it should be right angle triangle. Okay, one logic I will tell you. You see how. Say AB 5 centimeters are there. Again I have taken AB 5 centimeters only. Okay. AC also 5 centimeters or 10 centimeters. You say 10 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters or some centimeters. Then say this is 10 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. Okay. See, always it should be right angle triangle. Then we can measure this theta. See, to make this right angle triangle, if you reduce C, B, A. Now I have reduced theta here. You see here theta is say 45 degrees. Here say theta is 25 degrees. If you reduce theta, automatically what is going to become? Okay. Now you see what has changed. BC has been changed. If you observe, you see now, BC has been changed. Height of this opposite side has been changed. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. See here 45 are there. Now I am making 60 degrees. Say this is 60 degrees. A, B, C. Okay, earlier 5, now also it is 5, but now here it is not touching. Okay, it may be touching here. Now BC has been increased. You see, BC has been increased. Why it is happening? Because you are maintaining this right angle triangle. Or else this will become like this. C, B, A. If you don't want to make it right angle triangle, this another angle will come rather than right angle, 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree. Rather than 90 degree, some other angle will come. That time, if you want to keep this same, but it may touch somewhere else. You understand, na? That means if you change the angle, automatically heights and bases are also going to change. That you have to keep in your mind. You understand, na? See, if you change the theta, then height bases are also going to change. Accordingly, this also may change. If you want to keep this same, you can keep same. But accordingly, these two have to be changed. That you have to keep in your mind. Let us go for now ratios, then we go for the circle diagram afterwards. Okay? Okay. See, we studied that this is a right angle triangle. See here, right angle triangle means here 90 degrees will be there. This is 90. Angle B is 90 degrees. Angle A is theta. Angle A we have to see. Angle A is theta, but this theta is between hypotenuse and adjacent side. You have to keep it in your mind. Okay? Now see, 6 ratios we said. First ratio they have given name, opposite side by hypotenuse, BC by AC as sin theta. Okay? Theta is this one. I already said these values are going to change according to theta. Okay. Now let us write sin theta is equal to, or else I will write like this. First I write ratio, then I will write ratio name. Okay. Now I write opposite side by hypotenuse, that is equal to, opposite side is BC, that is equal to hypotenuse AC, that is equal to sin theta. Okay. One angle we have given. See, opposite side by hypotenuse, BC by AC, BC by AC. This we have given sin theta. See, randomly they have given these names. These names first time they have represented. Sin theta, how it has come, it has not come, we have given. Okay. Now let us see. See, this is one ratio. Another ratio, see, rather than opposite side, then I will take now adjacent side to hypotenuse. That also we will see. Let us write adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is equal to, adjacent side is how much? AB by AC. That is equal to cos theta. Cos theta. This we have given name as cos theta. Okay. Now we have given name as cos theta for adjacent side to hypotenuse. Okay. Third ratio also we will see. Third ratio, what is there? Then third ratio we will take opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. Let us write opposite side by adjacent side. That is equal to, opposite side is BC by AB. Okay. Opposite side by adjacent side, BC by AB. This we have given name tan theta. You understand, no? This we have given name tan theta. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. If you observe clearly, BC by AB means, see, BC by AC AB by AC. Both denominator are having AC by AC. Even if you make sin theta by cos theta also, tan theta is going to come. Why? Because AC going to cut BC by AB, BC by AB, tan theta. Then what we can understand? Tan theta also can be represented as sin theta by cos theta. That also you write. Okay, now you write this is equal to tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta BC by AC, BC by AC, cos theta AB by AC, AB by AC. If you give, automatically AC going to get cancelled, then sin theta by cos theta only it is going to come. Now see 1 to 3 ratios, another ratio we can say this is fourth ratio like, but main are 6 ratios, but totally 14 ratios are going to come. I am going to tell you how. 14 ratios are going to come. 14 ratios you have to keep in mind. 6 ratios will come. 6 are main. Based on 6 again, another 8 will come. Okay, now see, one time over and we make reversal. Everything is reversal. Okay, now you see, now for this we will reverse. For this we will reverse means what? See, opposite side, adjacent side we have taken. Now adjacent side by opposite side also we will take. Let us write opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side by opposite side. Now adjacent side by opposite side, that is equal to AB by BC, that is equal to, this we have given name as cot theta. Okay, opposite side by adjacent side tan theta we have given, adjacent side by opposite side we have given cot theta. Cot theta, this is cot theta. Okay, now if you observe, automatically this is reversal of tan theta, or else first we will write this one. This is cos theta by sin theta. Even if you make AC going to get cancel, AB by BC it is going to come, AB by BC. Okay, cos theta by sin theta, same thing is going to come. Now let us write AB by cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta, that is equal to, if you see now, this cot theta is going to become, see, when sin theta by cos theta we have made reversal means we can reverse even tan theta also here. Yes, let us write 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. You understand now? Huh? Okay. See, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Then cos theta by tan theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. That is cot theta. Okay. Now you see, when we have reversed 1 by tan theta for cos theta, then also we can do the same here, tan theta. Let us do that. Then here tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Okay. Now how many ratios have come? You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ratios have come. But original ratios are 4 only. 1, 2, 3, 4 only original ratios. But these are supplementary ratios. These are also very important, because these are also essential for your solutions of problems and all. Okay. Now original 4 only we have seen. Remaining 2 are still pending. Then that also we have to see. What are those? Until now hypotenuse subordinate has come, sorry, denominator has come, hypotenuse. What I do, I will take hypotenuse as numerator and I will make it. Okay, what I make, I will make this one, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Let us write that one, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side, that means AC by AB. Okay, AC by AB, opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, this we have given name as secant theta. Sec theta or secant theta. Okay, what we have given name? Secant theta. Secant theta or sec theta. Okay, this secant theta, if you observe, it is reversal of cos theta. You see, AC by AB, AB by AC, both are reversal. That means cos theta, secant theta, we can write 1 by cos theta. Write that one. 1 by cos theta. When we have written 1 by cos theta for secant theta, we also can write cos theta as 1 by secant theta. Yes, write that one. 1 by secant theta. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 ratios have come. Okay. Still 3 ratios are pending. Let us see. Those are also. Okay. Last one, hypotenuse by opposite side is also pending. Hypotenuse by opposite side. That also let us write. Okay. Let us write hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse is AC, opposite side is BC. Okay, hypotenuse by opposite side. This is called cosecant theta or cosec theta, you may call. Cosecant theta or cosec theta. Okay. Okay. Now, if you observe clearly, AC by BC means this is reversal of sin theta. 1 by. Then I can write 1 by sin theta here. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. When you have written cosecant theta as 1 by sin theta, I also can write sin theta as 1 by cosecant theta. Okay. Now you see how many ratios have come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 ratios are very, very important. Okay. These are basic ratios. You have to understand this. Okay. See, this is a important figure. Right angle triangle should be there and hypotenuse always should be AC. Why? Because AC square, Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. Always take hypotenuse as AC. And this theta is always between adjacent side and hypotenuse. Okay. These are the ratios. 14 ratios. Originally 6 ratios, but supplementary ratios are also we have to remember. Now we have seen how ratios are there. We will see values of trigonometry functions. Values of trigonometric functions. See sin theta, cos theta values also. From 0 to 90 degrees we will see. Then we will go for circle diagram. Okay. Let us note down this. Then we will go for values of trigonometry. Okay, you see now trigonometric values. Trigonometric values, how they have come, I am going to explain in the next 2 or 3 minutes. First, let us see. This is theta, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, like that. Remaining also we will write. This theta from 0 to 90 degrees. After 90 degrees again it is going to repeat. That is why 0 to 90 degrees are very important. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degrees. Okay. See, these are degrees. I have clearly mentioned degree, degree, degree. Even these you can write in radians also. 0 radian means 0 degree means 0 radian only. 30 degree means pi by 6. 45 means pi by 4. 60 means pi by 3, 90 means pi by 2. Okay, like that you have to take those values in radians. Okay, now you see sin theta value, what will be there at 0 degree to 90 degree. Let us write first. Okay, you see at 0 degree the value will be 0. At 30 degree the value will be 1 by 2. At 45 degree the value will be 1 by root 2. At 60 degree, the value will be root 3 by 2. At 90 degree, it will be 1. These are the values. Okay, you may ask, sir, how these have come. I am going to explain in 2-3 minutes. Wait. Okay. Now, first you remember this. These values. These values are very important. Once you remember these 5 values for sin, all values we can derive. All values we can derive. How and all I am going to explain. Okay, first you remember these 5 values. So sin 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Like that if you remember, then remaining all 5 total 6 ratios into 5 values. 6 into 5, 30 values you can remember based on these 5 only. Okay, now you see what I am doing. For cos I am reversing 90 degree here, 0 degree here, 60 degree here, 45 degree here, 30 degree here, 0 degree here. Okay, now I am writing 90 degree, so that one here 1 root 3 by 2. Okay, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. How these values have come, I am going to explain for sine and cos. 1, 2, 3, 4. This also I can explain you, but I am going to explain you afterwards. Now you have seen, na? See, you cannot, you need not remember further for cos. For sine, if you remember, automatically this you are going to reverse it. Okay, initially in examination rough work you may write this, but afterwards if you goes on read these values, automatically these values will be in your mind. See, okay, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, then cos 30 will be root 3 by 2. You see, cos 30. Okay, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 also 1 by root 2. You see, like this. Okay, cos 90 is how much? Oh, sin 90 is 1, means cos 90 should be 0. Yes, cos 90 should be 0. Like this you have to remember. There is no big thing for remembering this. Okay, let us see next ratio. Next ratio I am writing tan theta. Tan theta. Okay, sin cos tan theta. Okay, now you see, we already know, we came to know that earlier, in for few minutes back we have seen tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. We have seen that means sin theta by cos theta means here 0 divided by 1 or 0 over 1. 0 over 1 means how much it will come? 0 only. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled, 1 by root 3. Okay, 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, 2 going to get cancelled, root 3. 1 divided by 0, infinity. You can write infinity. Why? Because see, 1 is constant here. Constant divided by 0, you can write infinity. If numerator constant is not there, some expression is there or some equation is there, divided by 0, then that area you can write undefined. But clearly this is a constant. Constant divided by 0, infinity you can write. Okay, but you have to keep in your mind what is that constant. When you want to reverse it automatically, 0 you have to write. 0 divided by constant. Okay, let us write here. Now we have seen this tan also. Tan also we came to know. Okay, with only this 5 results, cos we have reversed it and tan also we have made. Let us go for cot. Okay, now cot theta means what you are going to do? 1 by tan theta. 1 by 0, again like this only infinity will come. 1 by root 3 will come. 1 by 1 only will come. 1 by root 3 will come. Now come here. 1 by infinity. See, when you have taken 1 by 0 as infinity, then 1 by infinity has to be taken as 0 only, na? Okay, now you stop and observe here how these have come. Like sine we have reversed for cos. Like tan we have reversed for cot. You see, all infinity, root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 0, 0. You understand, na? Only these results, based on these results only until now we have derived all this. Let us write secant theta also. Okay, secant theta or sec theta. Secant. Okay, now secant also we know that 1 by cos theta, that means 1 by 1. Write that one. 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means 1 only. 1 by root 3 by 2, 1 divided by root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 means root 2. 1 by 2 means 2. 1 by 0, infinity. Okay. Secant theta also we have received. You see finally cosecant theta, cosec theta. You see here two types you can write. You can reverse these infinity to root 3, 2 by root 3, 1, or else you do 1 by sine theta, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity, you write 1 by 0 is infinity. Even if you reverse also infinity will 1 by 1 by 2, 2 will come, 2. Even if you reverse also 2 will come here. 1 by 1 by root 2 will come, root 2. 1 by root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3 will come, 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 is 1 only, 1. You see how infinity 2 root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. Okay. In this way, you can remember this table from 0 degree to 90 degree. Only 5 values if you remember, all values you can recollect and write. Okay. Now let us go how these sine and cos have come. Okay. I am going to show for sine and cos. Automatically tan and cot you can make ratios and you can draw all this. Okay. Okay. Now let us go for circle diagram of trigonometric ratios. Okay, now you see trigonometric circle. That means by circle we are going to derive again these results. For sine and cos we will show. Okay, based on that tan means sine by cos, cot means cos by sine, 1 by sine, 1 by cos, all you can derive afterwards. Okay, let us see trigonometric circle. See, for trigonometric circle, one circle we have taken, center as origin. Circle center and graph origin are both are same, you see. Center as origin and we have taken one circle, but this circle's radius is unit radius. Unit radius means 1. What is this 1? See, 1 if we take 1 centimeter also, 1 millimeter also, 1 meter also. Okay, now I will say for our convenience you take this as 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter as unit you have taken. Then 10, based on 10 centimeter only all results are going to come like that. Okay. Now you see this is a circle. X-axis you know, y-axis you know. This coordinate is positive, positive. This coordinate is y is positive but x is negative. This coordinate is x is negative, y is negative. That means here all positive, all negative. Here x is positive but y is negative. Like that. You know very well, this is graph. Okay. You see, I have taken one point here. Say here I have taken one point. Say this point is P. Okay. Then what will be the dimensions of those point? Normally x dimension, y dimension will be there. Okay. Before that you see here, circle ending here A is there, here B is there, here C is there, here D is there. These points. Okay. What are those points? How can we represent these points? You see, because unit circle, unit radius, 1 unit, this radius, then automatically this is OA is going to become radius. OA is radius means 1 only, na? Yes, 1. X-axis 1, but what about y-axis? Y-axis 0. Then you keep 1, 0. Okay, A is 1, 0. But what about B? B, y is 1, but x is 0. X is 0, y is 1. Okay? Okay, now see, y is 0, but x is minus 1. X is minus 1, but y is 0. What about D? D is x is 0, but y is minus 1. Yes, x is 0, but y is minus 1. You understand now? These coordinates how these have come. Cartesian coordinates. 1, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Okay, these are Cartesian coordinates. If you understand these coordinates, then we are going to understand P also. Okay. Now P I have drawn, but P has got any point in positive coordinate, first quadrant. This is quadrant. Quadrant means fourth part. First fourth part, second fourth part, third fourth part, fourth part. Fourth part is going to be called as quadrant. Quadrant. Okay, this is first quadrant. In first quadrant, I have taken one point P on circle. Circle only. Okay. This P has got, like how D has got two coordinates, x coordinate, y coordinate. P also will have x coordinate, y coordinate. Okay. Now you see P, I can say here it is going to touch x coordinate here at M. It is going to touch here N. You see, is it correct or not? 100% correct. Okay. If it is touching here, then automatically I can give OM as A and ON as B. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to write a line. That means I am going to, like this I will make. Now you tell me, is it a right angle triangle or not? Right angle triangle. Then we can draw our trigonometric ratios again here. See, this is theta. This theta is positive direction. You see, anti-clockwise it is going. Anti-clockwise it is moving. See, OM is A. Why A? Because this is A, we have taken A. MBRON is B. Why B? Because this is B, we have taken small b. Okay, these two are coordinates. Then what will be the P? P will be in x-axis A, in y-axis it is B. P will be AB, if you see clearly. What is OP? You tell me. OP is hypotenuse, okay, we know. But what is the value of OP? OP is 1. Why? Because a unit radius, 1 radius. 1 means, see here all 1, minus 1 we have written, means this OP is plus 1. Okay, I am taking this as 1. Okay, now you tell me this one here, okay, but like this coordinate here minus is there, but this radius will also become minus 1 here or here or here. No, it never going to become minus 1. Why? Because see, hypotenuse how it comes, A square plus B square under root. When you make even a minus also, it is going to become plus, and always this hypotenuse will be positive only. That you have to keep in mind. It never comes minus, it comes always positive only, hypotenuse. Okay, that you keep in your mind. Okay, now we came to know that this point is having hypotenuse 1, x coordinate A, y coordinate B. This s coordinate also we call adjacent side, y coordinate also called opposite side. You see, opposite side, and theta angle between adjacent side and hypotenuse. Okay, now you draw here. Okay, now you draw. Now shall I write sin theta is equal to A by 1? Okay, right, sin theta is equal to A by 1, that is equal to A, that's all. That means sin theta ultimately A has come, because see, we want to make this as unit radius, that is why hypotenuse as 1. Now A has come, sin theta. What about cos theta? Cos theta, sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, B by 1, that is equal to B. What about cos theta? Cos theta is A by 1, that is equal to A. Now sin theta, cos theta you are having A, B. Okay, now you see this OP is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means what? Shall I write like this? You see, OP square is equal to OM square plus MP square. OM square plus MP square is equal to OP square. Is it correct? Definitely correct. Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Or else we can write OM square is equal to OM square, A square. A square is equal to cos square. You write cos square. Cos square theta plus MP square. MP square is equal to B square. B square is equal to sin theta square. Sin square theta is equal to OP square. OP square is equal to 1 square. 1 square is 1. This is very important result. cos square theta by sin square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, or sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Anyway you can write. Why? Because plus is there. Addition of sin square theta cos square theta results 1. This is fundamental trigonometric formula or result we have received because of Pythagoras theorem, because of unit radius, because of right angle triangle, because of right angle triangle inscribed in a circle or whatever you may call. Okay, we have received this. You understand now? Now you tell me, okay, this we have received, okay, but now you tell me I want to change this p. Earlier at theta, see this theta, even if you take here also theta, even if you take here theta, even if you take here theta, even if you take theta only, but here if you take theta is going to become 0, even if you take theta 90 degree it is going to become. See, from A to B 90 degrees will be there total. 90, 180, 270, 360. 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 90, 270, 270 plus 90, 360. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am keeping this figure like this only. This you note down. What I am going to do, I am going to derive those results, how they have come and all. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to write here again those results. See, theta 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay. Then sine 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Cos 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Okay. These results, let us see how they have come. Okay. These results, how they have come, let us see. I am going to remove this figure, this one, and I am going to draw another figure. Okay, how I am drawing, you carefully observe. I am going to draw only first quadrant. Okay, this is x, this is y, x, y, first quadrant. You see unit radius is there, here it is origin 0. Okay, now what I am going to do, see here. This is P, OP, but here theta is 0 degree. I need not write it. This is 0 degree. But because completely theta has become 0. That means P is touching here. Yes, see, OP is radius. Here OA also radius, OB also radius. You can rotate this P on the entire circle. This side also. But we are going to rotate from A to B only. Okay. Now, here A and here B also is there. You see B and A. Okay, now OP has become OA. You write OP is equal to OA. What is OP? OP is hypotenuse. You write hypotenuse. What is OA? OA, see, OA is OM only, na? See, adjacent side, this is OA. P changes automatically, this M is going to change. Here, M is going to touch. I will say here, M. See, for this, again I am writing here, you see. How I am writing, you observe carefully. P, A, M. Why? Because see, this M is according to P position, it is changes. P comes here means M will be shifted this side. P comes A side means M is going to shift to that side. Okay, why? Because see, M is X coordinate, N is Y coordinate. You understand, na? Now, in this only two figures are there, two lines are there, you see. Okay, two lines are there. Now, OP, OA, OM all have equal. Okay. Then, earlier, ON was there, MP. Now, what about this MP? MP is 0. Why? Because M and P has mixed. P has touched M. Then automatically this vertical line Y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0 means opposite side is 0. That you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Now, yeah, I will write those values also. You see how I am writing. OA is equal to OA, adjacent side. Okay, and MP is equal to opposite side. Okay, now you see these results how we have received. See, hypotenuse, how much it has become? Hypotenuse is 1 only, always 1. Okay, 1. That means OP is equal to 1. You write it. Then OA is adjacent side. Adjacent side, how much? Adjacent side also 1. OA is equal to 1. Why? Because there is theta is no 0 degree, then the P has touched A. When P touched A, automatically OA or OM become OA, and that value is going to become 1 here. Okay, what about MP? MP is nil. Why? Because see, MP is nil. Why? Because it is going to touch A, that means height has been reduced. Or opposite side is 0. You write opposite side is 0. Opposite side is MP is equal to 0. Okay, now you come here. 1, 0 is there. Then you write sine theta. Sine theta. Sine theta is how much? MP by OP. MP by OP. That means opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side MP how much? 0 divided by OP how much? 1. This OP always 1. You keep in your mind. OP is hypotenuse. That is always 1. Okay, why? Because that is radius, unit circle, unit radius. Okay, now you see how much it is going to become? Sine theta. 0 by something is 0. Okay, you see here. Sine 0 is 0 degree. Sine 0 degree is 0. One result I have proved. Okay. Now cos also we will see. Cos theta. Sine theta means here sine 0. I can say sine 0 degree. Cos 0 degree. Okay. Cos 0 means see here how much? A by 1. OM by OP. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. You write adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? Adjacent side. Now OM has become OA. OP. OA by hypotenuse always OP. Okay. Now you see OA how much? 1. OP how much? 1. That is equal to 1. That means cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. This also we have proved. Okay. Now these two results we have proved. Okay. Now at 0 degree. At 0 degree we have proved these two results. Cos and sine we have proved. Tan, sine by cos you take. Cot 1 by tan you take. Secant 1 by cos. Cosecant 1 by sine. If these two results have come, then all are going to come. Okay, let us go for 30 degrees also. Okay. Now again I am going to remove this one. Okay, now you understand this 0 degree. Let us draw 30 degree. 30 degree means you see like this it will be. P, this is 30 degree. You understand now? You see now, earlier like P, 30 degree will be touching here like little bit lesser, M. You understand now? That you have to observe carefully. Okay, what you do, you take one unit as 10 centimeter and draw this graph. 0, A, x-axis you have drawn, you have made 30 degrees, 30 degrees, okay. You have drawn another line with protractor in graph paper. Okay, see what you have to do. 0 to P 10 centimeters you stop. This is P 10 centimeter you have stopped. Then you draw one parallel line here. It will touch M. You measure this will be 5 centimeter. You understand now? This will be 5 centimeter. Okay, afterwards you can measure this also, but without measuring also we can do by formula. But let us see. You take x-axis one line you draw in graph paper, then 30 degrees you draw one line. That line you mark up to 10 centimeter. Now 1 unit as 10 centimeter we have taken temporarily. You draw perpendicular line, this line is going to become 5 centimeter. 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter at 30 degree. Then you write again sine 30. Sine 30 degree is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay. Opposite side how much MP? 5 centimeter. By hypotenuse how much? 10 centimeter. It is going to become 1 by 2. See 1 by 2. You understand? Na? These are practical results. These are not come without any calculation. These have come by calculation only. They have drawn the graph. 30 degree. See protractor is there, na? Protractor. Protractor you draw on paper. One horizontal line you keep. Then 30 degrees you keep one line you make. You touch this perpendicularly. This should be perpendicular, always right angle. Okay, right angle. Then PM is going to become 5 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter we have taken. Why? Because after taking 10 centimeter we have drawn this. That is going to become 5 centimeter. 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2 has come. That we have proved. Okay. Now you may ask, sir, how cos 30 has come? Okay, that is also will come. You see, if you calculate this root 3 by 2 will be there. Even effect calculation also with these two results also we can see. Let us take this as x. Okay, if you take it as x, 10 square is equal to x square plus 5 square. Okay, now x square is equal to 10 square minus 5 square. That is equal to 100 minus 25 x square, but x is equal to 75 root 2 root, that is equal to 3 into 25, that is equal to 5 root 3. 5 root 3 we can draw. Okay, this has come 5 root 3 only. X has come 5 root 3. See, even without your scaling also, by this formula Pythagoras theorem you can find this. Okay, you have find. What you do now? Sine cos 30. You write cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to, okay, cos 30 if you do automatically cos 30 how? OM by OP. Adjacent side by opposite side. That means OM by OP. OP is standard 10 centimeter. We have taken 10 centimeter. 1 unit now we have taken as 10 centimeter for our calculation. Okay, now OM how much it has come? 5 by root 3. 5 root 3. 5 root 3. Okay, 5 root 3 comes automatically. See, 5 2 times it goes, then root 3 by 2. Okay, now this also we have proved. With our normal paper, protractor, pencil only we can do this calculation. Why? Because see, 10 centimeter we have to take as a unit. Then 4 results we have received. Let us go for 45 degrees. Now I am going for 45 degrees. See, 0 degree, 30 degree we have proved results. 45 degrees we are going. Let us go for 45 degrees. P. Now this is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. You see, M touched here, but for 30 degrees M touched here. For 45 degrees M will touch here. That means this adjacent side is goes on reducing. If you increase the angle, adjacent side is goes on reducing, but this opposite side is goes on increasing if you observe clearly. Okay. Same thing again I am writing here. You see. This is P, not P, OA. This is OA, O, and 45 degrees you have taken. This is P. Okay. OP is always 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter means 1 unit. Say 10. It has touched here. Now this is 45 degrees. Okay. Now this is M. Okay. Now you see, like earlier said, I said, you draw horizontal line, you make rather than 30 degree, now 45 degrees and draw a line, and after 10 centimeter you put mark and you draw parallel line, you make it as M. You measure this PM. You measure this PM. The PM should be 10 by root 2. Okay. This will be 10 by root 2. It will come. Okay. We have drawn and we received 10 by root 2. We confirm. Now you see sin theta. Sin 45 degree is equal to sin 45 degree is equal to how much? PM by OP, right? PM by OP. What is this PM? Opposite side by hypotenuse. PM is how much? 10 by root 2 by 10 or by 1. That is equal to 10 by root 2 into 1 by 10. That is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, 10 going to get cancelled. Now we can say that we have proved this also. Why? Because if you do with graph paper or normal paper also with scale and protractor, 45 degrees 10 centimeter, this result is you are going to get. Okay. Now let us see how much this is going to come. OM. Pythagoras theorem also you can do, but you need not to do. At 45 degrees both will be same. These two. That means this also 10 by root 2 will come. At 45 degrees I am talking about. At 45 degrees if you measure this, this also will be 10 by root 2, this also will be 10 by root 2. Okay, at 45 degrees. At 45 degrees right angle triangle. In right angle triangle when 45 degrees are there, then this adjacent side, opposite side both are going to become equal. Or else you can do also, I will do see here. Let us take this as x. X square is equal to 10 square minus 10 by root 2 whole square. That is equal to 100 minus 100 by 2. That is equal to 200 minus 100 by 2. Okay. That is equal to 100 by 2. X is equal to square root of 100 by 2. That is equal to 10 by root 2. Okay. 10 by root 2 has come. Okay. Now sin you have proved. Cos also you have to prove. Let us prove cos also. Cos 45 degree is equal to cos 45 matlab means OM divided by OP. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. OM by OP. That is equal to OM is how much? 10 by root 2 by 10 by 1. That is equal to 1 by root 2. That means we have proved cos 45 also. You understand, na? Okay. Now 60 is same like 30. Okay, we will go for 90. We go for 90 degrees. 90 degrees means how much? This one. 90 degree, complete 90. Why? Because we have seen 0, 30, 45 also. 60 is like 30 only. It is going to reverse. Okay? It is going to reverse. But let us go for 90. 90 let us see. See how 90 has come. This is A, this is O, this is earlier B. Now P is going to touch B. Then only it is going to become 90 degree. Now this is 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. Now OB is equal to OP. You write here OB is equal to OP. OB is equal to OP. But what about M? See, I said earlier, see M earlier it was here. Now here, now here, now here. Then at 90 degree, this M is going to touch 0. Then OM is going to become 0. You understand, na? This M, O. When at 90 degree, automatically X coordinate is going to become 0. When at 90 degree, OM is going to become 0. OB is going to become OP. Okay? Full. Okay. Let me write OB is equal to OP. OB is equal to 1 or 10 centimeter. 1 means for our calculation 10 centimeter we have taken. OP is equal to 10 centimeter. OM is equal to 0 centimeter. Okay? These three results we have received. Okay. Let us see sin 90. Sin 90 degree is equal to See, sine 90 opposite side by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is y coordinate. Now MP has become OB. OB, that means 10 centimeter by hypotenuse always 10 centimeter only, that is equal to 1. You have proved this one. You understand, na? Why? Because see, opposite side OP, OB both are 10 centimeters it has become. Okay. Now you go for cos 90. Cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees, even if you observe, OM has become 0. OM by OP. But see, hypotenuse always 10 centimeter or 1 unit. But OM now it has become 0. 0 by 10. It is going to become 0 only, na? That is why at cos 90, at 90 degrees, cos theta will be 0. Okay? You understand now how these results have come? Okay? With your ordinary pencil, paper, eraser, protractor, scale, rule, slide rule. With that only you came to know all these results. But you take unit as a 10 centimeter and based on that you are going to get these results. Okay? Okay, now what we do in next class, we will see remaining concepts. I hope in the next class we are going to finish concepts of 3.2 and we are ready for 3.2 exercise also. Thank you very much.